When you buy a luxury car, you expect comfort, power, and prestige. What you don't expect is a check engine light every other month. Today, we're counting down 10 luxury cars that remain reliable long after the warranty expires. No breakdowns, no massive repair bills, just engineering that keeps going year after year. Stay until the end. The most bulletproof luxury car might surprise you. 1. Porsche 911 991 generation. The Porsche 911 has been refined for more than 60 years, and it shows. The 991 generation delivers timeless design, thrilling performance, and rare reliability for a high-end sports car. J.D. Power ranks it far above its rivals, and properly maintained examples easily exceed 200,000 miles. Maintenance costs aren't cheap, but this is one luxury machine that truly earns its reputation for durability. 2. BMW 340 i/440i B58 Engine. The BMW 340i and 440i use the B58 turbocharged inline-6, the same engine found in the new Toyota Supra. It's strong, smooth, and one of BMW's most dependable power plants ever. Expect minor oil or coolant leaks over time, but nothing serious. At roughly $26,000 on the used market, they offer genuine performance with everyday reliability. 3. Audi S4, 2012 to 2016. Older S4 models had reliability issues, but the B8.5 generation fixed them. Its 3.0-liter supercharged V6 and improved DSG gearbox deliver quick acceleration and solid dependability. It's one of the few German sports sedans that can handle daily driving without constant maintenance drama. 4. Lexus RX 350. The Lexus RX 350 defines effortless reliability. Powered by a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6, it avoids the complexity of turbocharging. It's quiet, smooth, and nearly immune to major failures. With basic maintenance, these SUVs can outlast most of their owners. 5. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212. The E-Class has always been the reliable backbone of Mercedes. Skip the early 2000s W211 models, they suffered from electrical and brake issues. The W212, produced from 2009 to 2016, solved those problems with stronger engines and improved build quality. Air suspension repairs are the only common issue. Well-kept examples start around $16,000 and can exceed 300,000 miles. 6. Porsche Cayenne 92A. The second-generation Cayenne combines performance with practicality. Both the 3.6-liter V6 and 4.8-liter V8 versions are solid, and they drive more like sports cars than SUVs. Servicing costs are high, but major failures are rare. It remains one of the most dependable performance SUVs on the market. 7. Lexus GX 460. Under the luxury leather, the GX 460 is a Land Cruiser Prado, rugged and nearly indestructible. Its 4.6-liter V8 and full-time four-wheel drive system can handle anything from city streets to mountain trails. Infotainment quirks aside, this is one of the toughest luxury SUVs ever built. 8. BMW X5 B58 Engine. The X5 fitted with the B58 inline-6 shares the same bulletproof engine as the 340i. Models from 2019 onward offer performance, technology, and real reliability. Once depreciation brings prices into the low $30,000 range, these become one of the best all-around luxury SUVs available. 9. Acura MDX 3.5-liter V6. The Acura MDX is a no-nonsense family SUV that just works. Its 3.5-liter V6 runs for hundreds of thousands of miles if the timing belt is replaced every 100,000. It's quiet, safe, and owners routinely keep them for 15 years or more. 10. Lexus GS 350. The Lexus GS 350 might be discontinued, but it's still one of the most dependable luxury sedans ever produced. It uses a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6, available in rear or all-wheel drive. Find a clean example for $20,000 to $30,000, and you'll own a car that delivers both refinement and longevity.